is Superstar at size 9.5 with the box. Shoe is beat up pretty good though. It's in pretty heavily worn condition. Other shoe is about the same as this, but with it having the OG box, even though it is beat up pretty bad, this should be a pretty quick move after we clean this up with some Rejuvenator. So pretty good shoe out of the box, and I'm running out of places to put all these. We're gonna get this out of the way. My goodness. So this is a double XL Nascar Nextel Cup series jacket, and believe it or not, this may be one of the most expensive pieces in this box. These jackets are super expensive, so I'm actually pretty excited about this one. It is a little dirty, it just needs to be washed up, no big deal, but that jacket's actually worth a decent amount of money. I'm not sure exactly how much, I have to do some research, but that's a pretty good pickup. We're gonna pull this pair out here. This is a pair of, looks like a Jordan 11. It looks like the Concord, but I don't think it's the Concord because it's really low top. Not sure exactly what's going on here with these, but maybe I'm wrong. Maybe this is just a pair of the Concords and it just looks super weird to me. But this is a size 6Y. I believe it's a Jordan 11. Maybe not though, because this looks really odd. No, it should be Jordan 11. But anyways, not sure exactly the name of this colorway though. The shoe's in pretty good shape. A little bit of wear on the bottom. Not too bad there. Another good shoe out of the box, and I don't know what the counter says, but we're probably already well over $200, and we still have, I don't know, a lot of shoes to go. This is a really good value box right here. This video is probably gonna be super long too. I apologize, but I mean, this is just a lot of shoes in here. Hey, here's that other NMD. Next pair out, a pair of Airmax 95, I think. Airmax 95, pretty heavily wore. Pretty good looking shoe though. Not sure the exact colorway, but it's got this red, blue and yellow theme going on here. So it looks like a pretty clean looking shoe. It does have some damage right there. It's close to the toe box. So there's, I don't know where the other shoe is. I really don't want to dig because I don't want to see the other stuff. Anyways, here's the other shoe. It's about the same condition. Next pair out, this looks like a pair of Nike Roches. I'm guessing it's supposed to have these scuffs and whatnot. These red and blue scuffs down here. Shoe has no laces, so we'll have to throw some laces on there. I have a lot of extra sets, so no big deal there. Pretty decent shape. Insoles don't show a lot of sign of wear, not too bad there, size 9.5. A couple years ago, Roches were it. Man, Roches were the shoe. If you had a pair of Roches on, you were cool, you were looking good. Now, not so much. Not that you're not cool if you wear Roches, but you can find them at outlets and Marshalls and stuff like that, no problem. So a Roche hype has kind of died down. I know some people say Roshi. I say Roche. I don't know if that's right or wrong. If you guys want to correct me down there in the comments, you can. So we have a few shoes left, but before we get into them, I do just want to say if you guys are enjoying this content, please go ahead and leave a like and subscribe to the channel. We are trying to post as many videos as possible, and the drive to keep posting these videos, that comes from you guys. I know that you like this content, you know, and I see you guys engaged, you know, in the comments and stuff like that, and you're asking questions and all that, then that really motivates me to keep making these videos. I appreciate all y'all's support, and let's finish this box up with the last, I don't know, 4 or 5 shoes. We have so many shoes, this is crazy. Here's a pair that we know, and if this is in my size, this may be going up there on the wall too. Ooh, it's a size 9.5. This is a Jordan 10. I think this is called the Charlotte Hornets colorway. Yeah, Charlotte Hornets colorway. Shoe's not in bad shape. That's what I'm saying. Like this shoe right here, I mean, this shoe's probably out the box, even in the condition that it's in, with no original box. But the shoe looks pretty good. I really like the colors that they had on here. It's just a really nice looking shoe. Other shoe is about the same in condition. Yeah, pretty good. A little bit of wear on the bottom, not too bad. Clean those up really quick. Another good shoe out of the box here. We'll have to count up how many shoes we get at the end of this. Where's the other shoe? So I have a Jordan 6. Is this a I don't know what the colorway is. I wanted to say Gatorade at first, but I don't think that's right. I don't know the exact name of this colorway, but I don't see the other shoe in here. I may have just got one Jordan 6. So if you wear a size 11 and you want one Jordan 6, hit me up. I'll make you a heck of a deal on this one shoe. All right. I'm really confused. This next pair is a pair of KDs. I don't know the exact number, but I want to say this is the peanut butter and jelly KD. Obviously you can tell why. It's got the grape and the brown on here. This is a pretty nice shoe in my opinion. I like the colorway. It is in a size 6Y. So pretty nice shoe here. Just a little bit of wear on the bottom. It's not too bad. So let's get into our last two shoes here. And these both have boxes. So that's a big plus right there. This pair is Airmax Plus in size 10.5. Not too much to say about this one. It's an Airmax Plus. Never seen the shoe before, but has the OG box, so should move somewhat well. Last box is a Jordan box, and this is a Jordan 2. I've actually never had any Jordan 2s. Just so you guys know, we are tapped out in this box here. That is it. Finally, that's it. So let's take a look at these. Okay, these are the Jordan 2. I feel like they just call these the Jordan 2 breads. And man, these things are beat up. These things are beat up. Look at the sole separation down here. You guys see that? Look at that. Separating coming off the bottom. This shoe also looks like it has. So one shoe has laces, one shoe doesn't. So these shoes are in pretty beat up condition. So not a lot of value in these, but probably a little bit of something. And I would say with every pair that we have here, yeah, we're gonna do just fine. So let's count up exactly how many pairs of shoes that we have in this $200. Believe it or not, yes, it's only a $200 box. Let's count up how many shoes we have. I'm arriving at a number of, I believe, 16.5. It could be wrong. If I'm wrong, I'll correct myself up there. But 16.5 shoes, 2 shirts, and a jacket. In a $200 box. I mean, just think if we sold every one of these shoes for $10 a piece, we would almost be at $200. So, wow. This was a really good box. I don't know what the final value is. I won't know until after this video is done. But actually, you know what? Let me go ahead and calculate it and we'll get back with you guys. So guys, that wraps it up for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Hope you enjoyed the content. I hope you enjoyed going through this massive $200 beater box with me. And this is what a true beater box is. So, I mean, these shoes are all pretty worn. They're all gonna require some cleaning. But that's where the most money is made, because a lot of people wouldn't take the time or the effort to do anything with these shoes other than probably throw them in the trash. So someone like me can get them, put in the work, put in the manpower to clean these things up, get them looking good again, and find them a new home with someone who will love these shoes. That's what I'm here for. And I'm also going to make some profit as well. But that wraps it up for this $200 beater box. I hope you guys enjoyed it. We will probably see you Monday with some sort of video. If not, we'll definitely see you Thursday with the second installment of the sneaker resale series. I appreciate the support and the love that you guys have shown on that video, and we look forward to continuing that series with you. That's going to be it for me today. Continue to stay safe, continue to love your shoes. See you guys on the next one.